How do pop-up coffee stands ensure every drink tastes the same? They use carefully measured recipes, consistent ingredients, calibrated equipment, and repeatable steps. Before opening, the team creates a recipe card for every drink, including the exact coffee dose, water amount, grind setting, milk quantity, temperature, and serving size. Coffee is usually weighed with a small digital scale instead of being measured by sight, because even a little extra coffee can change the strength. The grinder must be adjusted when the weather changes, since humidity can make coffee flow faster or slower through the machine. Workers also use timers to make sure each shot runs for a similar length of time. Milk is heated to a set temperature because overheated milk tastes flat or burnt, while cooler milk may taste thin. Cups are filled to marked levels so one customer does not receive more syrup, milk, or ice than another. A useful detail many people miss is that water quality matters greatly, so stands often use filtered water and replace their filters on a schedule. Before serving customers, the team tastes test drinks and records adjustments, turning personal judgment into a repeatable process. One common mistake is guessing the coffee amount, so weigh both the beans and the finished drink whenever possible. Another mistake is changing several settings at once, which makes it difficult to know what fixed the flavor, so adjust one thing and test again. Some workers also forget that the first drink of the day may taste different because the equipment is still warming up, so flush, warm, and check the machine before taking orders. Finally, recipes can drift when the stand becomes busy, so keep the instructions visible and use the same scoop, scale, and cup size every time. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.